Today we are discussing about a brand new website of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, you can and Shiba Inu Limited, free Shiba Inu Limited, and you can earn Shiba tokens without investment. If you work with the website, you can get rewards by performing different tasks, such as you look at the users and the total days active by performing different tasks, faucet, auto faucet, shortlinks, PTC, lottery, achievements, tasks, offer walls, levels, contests, dice by playing games. Easy to earn by many ways by PTC tasks, offer walls, levels, withdraw, and the currencies you can withdraw. uh, going to going to the link provided in the description. Go to registered button, enter your email address, username, password, retype password and captcha, h captcha, and perform. Go to login and enter your email address and password, captcha and login. Now we are going to log in, and my account is logged in already. So we are going to log in. Mm, just wait. Just wait. And look at the tasks. You can make a video and publish it on YouTube, and you will get $10 reward, and 17 million, up to 17 million tokens. And share the link proof of YouTube here, and you will get, as I am performing the task. And you can also make a blog and such, so and so. You can post the blog and so and so. You can also share the website. You can trust pilot, etc, and so, and you can share the payment proof at Telegram, Twitter, Medium, and so. And go to dashboard. This is my first year earning of tokens.